Hi guys, my name is Hammada. I'm a computer engineering student in UK and today I'm going to show you how to code a game in Processing. So let's get started. Processing is a fully functional programming language based on Java. It is especially focused in creating visual design. The game will consist of a road crossing with 4 traffic lights and 4 cars crossing respecting the traffic lights. The user must control Godzilla using the arrow keys. The objective is to catch all the cars before they disappear. Then there could be two situations. If Godzilla destroys all the cars before they disappear, the message "You win" will be shown. However, if one of the cars achieves to disappear, the message "You lose" will be shown. First of all, we must create the different variables that will allow us to define the different elements of the game. Then, in the setup function, we will have to initialize both the side of the screen and the variables that will import the images that will be made of cars and Godzilla. The reset function will allow us to reinitialize all the parameters when we want to reinitialize the game. We can implement Godzilla the same way we implement cars through the load image statement. Then the movement of Godzilla has to be set through the kpress method in processing, which allows the player to control Godzilla through typing the arrow keys. In the draw function, we are going to instantiate the objects of the classes that we need. To draw the road, you can use the draw function in processing. By using the rect function, the rectangular shapes are defined. In this way, it can be implemented all the crossing road environment by giving to each rectangle the attributes which define the roads, the sidewalks, the road lines, and the frames of the traffic lights. By using the rect function, it will be designing a button into a class called button to restart the simulation. Then, by implementing the reset function, it will be possible to restart the simulation by clicking on the restart button. For the traffic lights, we can use the function ellipse. By giving to the function ellipse different colors and positions, we can design the different situations of the traffic lights. In order to set up a challenge for the player, a scoreboard will account how many cars have been destroyed by Godzilla. For destroy a car, the player has to control Godzilla in order to collide with a car. If Godzilla touches a car, the car will disappear and the score will increment by 1. To make disappear a car, a Boolean variable will be configured, so our program will only show the car as long as there is no collision with Godzilla. So that the traffic lights change color, the logic that we will use will be to dedicate an if statement to each traffic light indicating the time that it will remain in each color. In the same way, the logic that we will use so that the car respects the traffic lights will be to implement if statements indicating the time that they will be stopped and in motion. Finally, through the mouse preset function, we will assign the buttons the function of resetting and abandoning the game. So this is all for this video. I hope you like it. See you next video. Bye.